Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Sinabi ho na itong si Lloyd Lewis, i-hand over mo na yung presidency kay Leni Robredo. Kasi nangako ka ng 3 months to 6 months, ala naman nangyari. So, you know what? Sabi niya, it's about time. Sabi ho ni Lloyd Lewis, ito ho yung Filipino-American na bilyonaryo nakabeso sa New York. Nakapangasawa ho ng talagang mayaman ho. Oh, edukada rin naman to si Lloyd Lewis. Madunong din naman ho to. Nag-aral ho to sa, graduate ho siya ng St. Teresa's College. Ito ho yung pumasa ng law na hindi ho, na kumuha ng bar exam na hindi ho talagang, pumasa. Can you imagine? Brilliant din ho to eh. Kaya lang, mali lang ang kanyang mga, siguro, analysis. Mali ang kanyang forecast and foresight. Pumalpak lahat ang kanyang mga sinuportahan. Ngayon, siguro out of desperation, you know, desperate people will do desperate action to come up with desperate results. Let me say that again. Desperate people will do desperate action, and so they come up with desperate results. Look at what happened. Sabi ni Lloyd Lewis, kasi ikaw, Rodrigo Duterte, hindi mo natupad yung 3 to 6 months na patitigilin mong droga, totoo naman sinabi ni Duterte, hindi ito biro. Abay, malalim pala to, sanga-sanga natin, komplikado. Di magbitiw ka na, para na sa ganon, i-hand over mo na lang kay Vice President Leni Robredo, yung presidency na yan, kasi pumalpak ka. Can you believe that? Sabi niya, pag si Leni Robredo nakaupo dyan, hindi ang kapareho mo ng patay dito, patay doon, extrajudicial killing. Ang mangyayari dyan, yun ang sinasabing, masusunod yung due process na court of law. Holy shh.